Hi, I'm Rahul, and you are at Renishaw booth in Automation Expo 2025. Renishaw is a metallurgy company. We have been into this business for last 50 years and participating in Automation Expo after a long time, but then we were waiting for the right opportunity. So this year we are introducing our industrial automation products and the software in this exhibition. Our robot calibration range, our robot calibrators and the RCS probing range is introduced yesterday to all of our customers. These solutions help to check the health of robots and as well as do more of calibrating your robots and simplifying the automation for your robots. Uh, this exhibition has opened really well yesterday, today being a really busy day for us. So we are looking forward to more and more visitors to join us over the next 3 days and come and see what we have developed for the robot manufacturers, the integrators, and the end users who are using the robots. So I invite all of you to join me in Hall 2, stand M05. We are here till Thursday. So looking forward to seeing you all.